What are you doing, Nikki?
Is there a wet slide?
Yes.
I'm laughing so hard.
you laugh. Oh my god. Where'd Nikki go? I hear his shoes, but I don't hear him. If you need me to hold that, Jordy, I will. I'm afraid he's gonna hit me for some reason. Did you just try to do back? Just hold on. Your knees are all messed.
Kid.
Oh, we need to make a name for you. It can't be Nick, because he's nice too.
Casper the Friendly Blue Man.
I like your face.
The Blue Man are friendly. Bye, guys.
It's all part of a nutritional breakfast. But that doesn't. I'm gonna be a good Samaritan.
Like pretend that these aren't our costumes.
Well, it doesn't matter now. You already said it on the video. Where'd you? Oh, it's over here. Huh?
Nick just looked at that woman and she looked at him all stickly. I'm like, oh my god.
Brianna, you're so short compared to my leg.
Yeah.
What time is it? Like 8?
Are you gonna buy me a drink? Just thirsty in the snake.
What are you doing? Chris? Chris is here? Run? Jog? Jog, run, light jog? Heavy jog? High sprint? It's just...
We should have all
Oh, I
gotten
see
those.
Josh. Okay. Yeah, Chris is here.
We should have all gotten those. We're getting those so Plus five.
I know. Oh, they have like a ninja. Yeah, we're gonna need some of this. I need it. I need it.
Hold it like a skateboard.
Ah. I got this. My posters for the project